Hello friends, my name is Naveen Misra and today we are going to discuss about conditional formatting. Friends, conditional formatting is a very powerful topic of MS Excel. Today we will talk about how to visualize your data, how to make your data more attractive, more presentable. With help of conditional formatting, we will talk about the various topics like we will talk about how to use data bar techniques, how to use icon set technique, and how to apply rating symbols, right? Sometime suppose you have a large data and you want to make your data more attractive, more presentable, we use data bar. So now we will move on the desktop and we will show you how to make this data more attractive and more presentable. Thank you. Friends, this is my small table. We have products, we have cost, selling, and then NPM. So we have 4 columns, right? Now I want to show you how to use this icon sets, how to use this NPM, and how to use this rating symbols. So first of all, I want to remove this formatting, right? So we can simply select this table. We can click on the conditional formatting. Under conditional formatting, we can click on the clear rules and clear rules from selected cell, right? Now you can look at this. We have a selling column, right? In selling column, what I want to add this type of arrow symbols. So if the data is more than 100, I want to add up arrow. Suppose if the data is in between 180, then I want to add yellow arrow. And if data is less than 80, then I want to add down arrow, red arrow, right? Suppose we have so many products and you want to just display some increase price or decrease price or a stable price, then we can use this type of data bar, right? We can also use this data bar with help of to comparison the data, right? So now just with help of this icon sets, I want to show you how to add rating symbols and all that. So we can simply click on this drop down, right? We can click on icon sets. Under this icon sets, we can simply apply this icon sets, right? We can simply apply this one. Now these icon sets are already applied here, but the question arises here, on what basis? This is yellow, this is yellow, this is green, and this is red. These icon sets are not as per my expectation, friends. Okay, so what we can do, we can simply select this data. We can click on the conditional formatting. If you want to set your own condition, if you want to set your own criteria, what we can do, we can simply click on the manage rule. Under manage rule, we can click on the edit rule, right? So under edit rule, see, this is my edit rule dialog box. Just I want to quick show you on the screen. So we have multiple options. So by default, your type is percentage, right? By default, you can see by default the type is percentage. So what we can do, we can simply click on the type section and select number. Click on the type section and select number, right? Now my first condition, I want to set my first condition. Suppose let's say I want up arrow when the value is greater than equals to 100, right? When the value is less than 100 and greater than 80, then I'll simply apply this one, and less than 80, then apply this one. Now click on the OK button. Simple click on the apply and click on the OK. Now these icon sets are as per my expectation. You can notice one thing. Selling price, if the selling price is more than 100, I'm getting up arrow. If the selling price is in between 180, then I'm getting yellow arrow. If less than 80, then down arrow, right? Now I will click on the simple cost column and I want to visualize the cost. So this time I want to apply data bar. So I will click on the conditional formatting. Then we can click on the data bar. Under data bar, we have so many options. We have light blue data bar. We have solid fill data bar. So many type of data bars available. So I will click on the simple light blue data bar, right? Now what is happening here, friends? Longest bar represent highest data and shortest bar represent lowest data. This is data representation technique, right? Now I want to just simple type 20 and see I'm getting blue color. Now whenever I will type in negative, data will appear in the red color. This is default color. Similarly, I will go here. Similarly, I will select the NPM, net profit margin. Simple, I will click on the drop down and then I click on the icon sets. In the icon sets, this time I will click on the rating symbols. This time I will click on the what rating symbols, NPM, right? So in NPM, if you want to set your own condition, we can click on the manage rule and we can click on the edit rule and we can set our conditions, right? Now next, if you want to apply this type of condition, you can set here, you can apply this one. So guys, this is a brief introduction about this topic, right? Thank you so much, and I hope you learn something about this data bar, icon sets and rating symbols, right? Thank you so much, guys.